Hey guys, today I will show you how to create Binance account. So first of all, open your phone's app store, then search for Binance. Now go ahead and install it. I have already installed, so I will open it. Now we are going to click on sign up. Then enter your email address. Make sure to check the terms and conditions. Then click on next. Now Binance has sent a code to your email. Head over to your inbox to find it. Enter the verification code here and then press next to continue. It's time to create your password. Make sure you use a strong one to keep your account secure. It should have at least 8 characters and at least one number and one uppercase letter. Now click on next. It will ask you if you have any invite, then you can write referral ID here and then click on next. Now you will need to enter your ID, name and birth date. From here, just follow the final on-screen steps to complete your verification. That's it. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.